guys, this is Julie Corey from Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough. This is the 2022 GLE SUV 350. As you see here, it has the AMG package with the aggressive emblem, wrapped around LED lights, you also notice that everything is white. That's part of the AMG package with the chrome around the windows. And back here, you'll see that there's the badge GLE 350 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC. We also have the trailer hitch right here. This is polar white with macchiato beige. As we look inside, you will see that it's the Burmeister surround sound with the panoramic sunroof. Has a very clean look. And next we're going to go into the front of the car. Here you'll see that you have the heated seats, the ventilation seats, and the electric seats. Burmeister surround sound, as well as the black flooring that looks very nice, and it keeps the vehicle looking clean. There's also a heated steering wheel, and the steering wheel adjusts. It's powered. You have on your left side, you have your controls, and on your right side, you have your infotainment center. As you can see here, you have two phone 1 and 2 that can be connected. We also have navigation, radio, Sirius XM, FM, media, comfort with 64 ambient lighting, information, which would be your vehicle engine consumption, operator's manual, Mercedes Me app, and your settings. Here we have the camera and parking, traffic, sign assist, active lane keeping assist, active brake assist, attention assist, blind spot assist, active lane change assist, traffic light information, and route-based speed. Down here, we also have what you can use as kind of the mouse pad, and you can flip through here. So you have 3 different ways of using your infotainment. Here, on the steering wheel, on the screen, and on the mouse pad. Curtis, if you have any questions, please call me at 207-510-2252. Thank you.